Today's lecture, I am going to introduce you the soft skill part, that is the time management. Time management is important in our day-to-day life. Time management means the life management. That's why it is necessary to know what is time management. Time management means planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activities, that call as time management. According to Carl Panberg, what is time? Time is the most valuable coin in your life. You and you alone will determine how that coin will be spent. Be careful that you do not let other people spend it for you, because time is important. According to Charles Buxton, you will never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. It means, according to Charles Buxton, time is important. Secondly, according to the Steve Jobs, the time means, according to the Steve Jobs, my favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. In this way, the both persons, Steve Jobs and Charles Buxton, told us about the importance of time. Now, always most of the students and the persons have a question: why do we need time management? I think time management is necessary and must. It is most important part and parcel of our day-to-day life. We need time management for to save time, to reduce stress, to function effectively, to increase our work output, and last one, to have more control over our job responsibilities. That's why we need time management, which is also part and parcel of our day-to-day life. Now, I would like to introduce you what is time management, or why time management is necessary. It is rightly said, time and tide wait for none. An individual should understand the value of time for him to succeed in all aspects of life. People who waste time are the ones who fail to create an identity of their own. That's why time management is played important role. Now, there is a one of the question in most of the persons: how to use time effectively. The answer of this question is here. We use time effectively. First one, the thing, for effective planning. Second one, setting goals and objectives. Third one, setting deadlines. Next one, delegation of responsibilities. Next one, prioritizing activities as per their importance. And next one, spending the right time on the right activity. In this way, we can use time effectively. Now, here are some of the time management tips. First one, set goals correctly. Second one is prioritize wisely. Third one, set a time limit. Fourth one, take breaks between tasks. It is necessary for the time management. The fifth one tip is that organize yourself. It means give the sequence for every task or every work. Next one tip for the time management is remove non-essential tasks. It means give the preference which one is the important task. And the last one tip of the time management, that is plan ahead. It means think about the future and plan itself. That's why here is one of the chart which also about the time management. Then the next one point, what is effective planning? Plan your day well in advance. Prepare a to do list or a task plan. Order activities according to their priority. Third one, allocate suitable time to each activity. Next one, the point, that is complete pending task one by one. Do not begin fresh work unless you have finished your previous task. Tick the ones you have already completed. And the last one, ensure you finish tasks within the stipulated time frame. This is some of the points for the effective planning. Next, here are the 12 most effective time management principles. First one is determine what is urgent. Give the priority for the urgent work. Second one, don't overcommit. It means don't do any mistakes. Third one, have a plan for your time. It means list the work, list the sequence uh, for the work number one, work number two, or others also. Then next one, allow time for the unexpected. Handle things once. Create realistic deadlines. Next one principle, set goals for yourself and your time, because time is money. Develop routines. Focus on one thing at a time. It means do a work at a time. Next one, eliminate or minimize distractions. And the next one, outsource task or delegates. And last one principle, leave time for fun and play, which is very important part of our life. That's why time management important. To save time, it means to save your life planning or life management. In this way, here are some of the benefits of time management, which is also very important part and parcel of our day-to-day life. In this way, as a part of soft skill, today's lecture, I explained in detail what is time management or why it is important in our day-to-day life. Thank you very much.